Guys, this thing is massive. Our Smackilackin family, we're back with another one. So we're here in Tipton, California, located off the 99, kind of south of Tulare, somewhat north of Delano and Bakersfield. So it's a fire-smoked, wood-smoked barbecue place that does, of course, sandwiches and salads and stuff like that. So right now I'm gonna try their tri-tip nachos. So let's get a little bit of that. Nice little smoke flavor, okay? Now I know with some barbecue places, the meat can be overpowering if it's a lot of heavy smoke. But this one isn't heavy smoke. Now I don't mind the heavy smoke, but I know some will. Flavorful, has nacho cheese on here, sour cream, and a little bit of pico de gallo on top. There's also a little bit of spice on there. It's fine. Adds flavor, is not crazy overwhelming. Doesn't leave your mouth crazy hot. It will leave it warm though, okay? Alright guys, there's also a sriracha lime cream or crema on top, which really does work well with this, okay? Alright guys, next we have their breakfast sandwich. This has tri-tip, egg, bacon, and pepper jack cheese. That croissant is very buttery. I like how the tri-tip, even with the nachos, it's not tough. Croissant bread with the meat too. That's winning. In fact, I wouldn't mind that sriracha crema on the croissant sandwich too. That was good. Alright guys, this is their half-pound burger. Okay. We have tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, red onion on top, bacon, jalapeno, jack cheese. Guys, this thing is massive. I like the fact that that is a flame wood grilled / smoke. So it's made on an open pit with strictly wood, okay? There's no charcoal, no nothing else, okay? Strictly wood. Gets that flavor from the smoke. Next we have the chicken club. So it's a grilled chicken, again, over that smoked wood flame. Chopped up. We have bacon on here, red onion, avocado, tomato, and lettuce on like a hoagie hot dog type of bun there. I'll do this for you guys. Guys, not only is the flavor big here, the portions are big too. So everything that I ate, 2 people could easily eat. That bacon club also has her own personal barbecue ranch sauce that she mixed together. Alright guys, so she just handed me, Miss Cassie, some of her homemade barbecue sauce. So with barbecue food, I kind of like to taste the meat. Of course, if something is mixed, that's fine. I like to taste the meat without the sauce just to see how the meat tastes and of course how the sauce tastes. So we're going to do that now. That's good. It's a sweet sauce. It's not crazy spicy. Alright guys, we have our beans. Green chilies are in here, okay guys? The flavor's there. Again, it's not hot. I don't taste like a spicy flavor with this. Alright guys, now for the potato salad. Some people with potato salad, it's a hit and miss. I mean, I understand people like certain types of specific types of potato salad. Some people have with mustard, some people without mustard. I mean, I don't really mind as long as it's flavorful. That's all I care about. So this isn't a sweet potato salad, and this doesn't have mustard in it, which is fine. But I guess there is mustard in here from a little friend, a little birdie over there at Jed's told me. So it's not sweet. There is dill pickle in here, but it's still good. Chunks of potatoes, all right, chunks of potatoes. Now I did talk to her and see if she could make some mac and cheese, but I mean, mac and salad, you know. Like when I eat the Hawaiian food, I like it with that. Slight peppery taste. Yes? Yes, okay. There's a nice little pepper flavor to it. It's not overwhelming, but it is there. The noodles are cooked well. Is there mayo in here too, right?
Yeah, it's
mayo,
mustard.
There is mayo and mustard in this as well. Again, you don't really taste the mustard, which is fine. Overall, this place really does have a nice flavor overall. The portions are nice. It's in a convenient spot right off the 99, so you don't have to drive too crazy far up north or down south. Come here and go home. All right, guys, till next time. Later.